The MassaMAX 2025 A305 Massage Chair is a premium full-body recliner that combines intelligent features, luxurious comfort, and effortless usability. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this massage chair in the description below at the latest price. From its elegant golden design to the advanced SL track system that delivers a deep, continuous massage from neck to thighs, the A305 offers a rejuvenating experience tailored to your body. At the heart of this chair is an AI-powered body scan technology that adjusts massage nodes according to your body's shape and size. This ensures that the pressure points are aligned precisely, offering a truly personalized massage. Whether you prefer kneading, tapping, knocking, shiatsu, or a combination, the A305 comes loaded with 12 auto programs and 5 professional massage techniques that cater to different needs, from post-workout recovery to deep relaxation. The integrated zero-gravity recline mimics the position astronauts take during launch, reducing spinal pressure and enhancing blood circulation, which adds an extra level of comfort to every session. Beyond its massage capabilities, the MassaMAX A305 doesn't skimp on convenience or design. It arrives fully assembled, no tools or installation required, so you can enjoy it the moment it's delivered. The calfrest extension accommodates users of different heights, while the heated lower back zone helps relieve tension and muscle stiffness. Control is intuitive with a sleek keypad and wireless remote, and the built-in wireless charger ensures your phone stays powered while you relax. With its quiet motor, modern faux leather upholstery, and compact footprint, the A305 not only serves as a wellness device but also fits elegantly into any home setting. Whether you're winding down after a long day or recovering from physical strain, this chair transforms any room into a private wellness retreat.